Let's learn some shapes with example. This is oval shape. This is oval shape. OVL, oval. O for oval. This is oval shape. OVL, oval. This is oval shape. And the oval shaped example is egg. Egg is in oval shape. EGG, egg. This is egg. And the egg shape is oval shape. This is oval. OVL, oval. Oh, this is oval shape. And the example is egg. EGG, egg. Egg shape is also oval. This is heart. HEART, heart. This is heart. This is heart shape. And the example is leaf. Leaf shape is also in heart shape. LEF, leaf. Leaf shape is in heart shape. This is heart shape. HEART, heart. And the example is leaf. This is diamond. DIAMOND, diamond. This is diamond shape. This is diamond. DIAMOND, diamond. This is diamond shape. And the example is kite. KIT, kite. Kite shape is diamond shape. This is diamond. This is diamond shape. And the shape of the kite is diamond shape. This is square. SQARE, square. This is square shape. This is square. SQARE, square. This is square shape. And the example is chessboard. CHESSBOARD, board. This is chessboard. This is square shape. And the example is chessboard. This is chessboard. This is pentagon. PENTAGON, pentagon. This is pentagon. PENTAGON, pentagon. This is pentagon shape. And the example is kennel. KENNEL, kennel. And the example is kennel. This is kennel. KENNEL, kennel. This is cone. CONE, cone. This is cone. CONE, cone. Cone is a shape. An example is traffic cone. T for traffic, C for cone. Example is traffic cone. TRAFFIC, CONE, cone. This is traffic cone. This is cone. And the example is traffic cone. TRAFFIC, CONE, cone. This is traffic cone. This is oval shape. This is heart shape. This is diamond shape. This is square shape. This is pentagon. This is cone shape. Oval, OVL, oval. This is oval shape. Heart, HEART, heart. This is heart shape. D for diamond, DIAMOND, diamond. This is diamond shape. S for square, SQARE, square. This is square shape. P for pentagon, PENTAGON, pentagon. This is pentagon shape. C for cone, CONE, cone. This is cone shape. Let's learn with example. This is oval shape and the example is egg. Egg shape is also in oval shape. EGG, egg. This is heart shape and the example is leaf. LEF, leaf. This is diamond shape and the example is kite. KIT, kite. This is kite. This is square and the example is chessboard. This is chessboard. This is pentagon and the example is kennel. This is kennel. This is cone shape and the example is traffic cone. This is traffic cone. So oval, egg, heart, leaf, diamond, kite, square, chessboard, pentagon, kennel, cone, traffic cone. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.